Advice that will work for any camping destination. Camping can be one of the most affordable ways to get out of the home and have a good time with the family. If you are looking for a way to enjoy some time away from home with your family, camping may be just what you are looking for. Use the tips below to begin planning. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. Always keep a close eye on yourself, your family, and your possessions, as they will all get a little dirty. When you know that going in, you won't stress out when it happens. Enjoy the outdoors and get down and dirty. Things will be normal again once you are home. If you are traveling with children, consider staying at a campground that is specifically designated for families. Campers in these areas know what to expect and will not have an issue if you have a cranky toddler or your children want to run around, scream and play. You will probably be more relaxed as a result and have a better time. If you'd like to prevent mosquito bites, but want to avoid using harsh chemicals, use an orange peel instead. Rub the orange peel over exposed areas of the skin, such as the neck, arms, face and legs to naturally repel mosquitoes. Not only will the orange peels feel better on your skin than traditional repelling chemicals, but they will smell better, too. When going camping, you need to ensure that the tent you build can easily hold you and anybody else that comes along. That makes it easier for everyone to have a comfy time while they're asleep and moving around when they have to get up in the dead of night. Introduce yourselves to other families camping in your immediate area, as a means of being social and more apt to help each other out. If another crew arrives after you've set up, offer to help with their tent or equipment. If something goes awry during the trip for anyone, it's much easier to ask for help from somebody who is courteous enough to introduce themselves. Make sure you buy a tent that is big enough for your needs. Many people find themselves crowded in a tent for no reason. Tents are lightweight and very compact, so there is no reason not to have enough space when you buy a tent. Make sure you're buying for comfort. Now that you are aware of some of the best tips you can get about camping, you are on your way to enjoying the outdoors with your family. Make use of the tips so you do not find yourself in a miserable trip that you wish you could get out of. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.